Just use the bivvy loo.
Welcome to my kitchen.
Evening.
Hello.
We've just driven through a lot of freezing fog. It's currently 0 degrees. Snow on the ground. We're in the Peak District. So we're just going to have a beer. What time is it?
9:30. Yeah.
It's 9:30 and we arrived 5 minutes ago.
9:30, yeah.
We just listened to England get beat on the radio on the way here. But anyway, last minute decision to come here. So we're going to get up a hill in the morning, cook our breakfast up high and show you what it looks like when it's covered in snow and frost and stuff. We slept in slightly later than planned. I think I turned the diesel heater on about 5:30. And when you do that, you're doomed. You're staying in bed, so got up about 8 o'clock. So gonna have a quick coffee and walk up Mam Tor, which is completely white. It's good. How's the new Findra top?
Get comfy. It's like a really nice material. What's it? Is it?
Merino wool.
Yeah, but it doesn't feel like my other merino wools. It's nice. Soft. Snuggly.
Is it ready for a walk up a big white hill?
Yeah, baby. I'm not, but the top is.
There's a robin here mooching with us. Oh, it's gone.
Oh.
Camera shy.
Yeah.
The fall is coming, I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden sights.
Tell you what, I know a lot of people like to leave this country and don't like this country in the winter, and they go to Spain for the summer and all winter and all that. But when you get the right weather for the season in this country, it's f***ing stunning. Whether that be snow, sun, or even the autumnal oranges and whatever the colours are in autumn. Browns. It's just beautiful.
We cremated my nan a couple of days ago, and they always say a robin represents the dead, or maybe something a little bit more.
A loved one that's passed away, maybe not the dead.
Oh yeah, a loved one that's passed away. And my nan was a bit of a hiker as well, so who knows.
Another
We've now reached the top of the ridge that goes from Holland's Cross up to Mam Tor, and we've literally just dropped over the other side of the ridge facing the Edale Valley. And the reason why we've done that is because there's a little bit of privacy to cook our breakfast. I didn't bring my big tripod, so I'm probably going to be cut out of the shot quite a bit. Welcome to my kitchen. Got this new fandangly stove. It's a spirit burning stove, so what we're going to do is we're going to get a brew on to keep the wife happy first, and then we're going to cook some food.
Right, a proper lighter in case that don't work.
Oh, come on.
Ooh, yeah. Me!
Finally. Gonna burnt my face then. So bought this Trangia stove. It uses methylated spirits. Getting that spirit to burn in this cold weather was not easy.
I was blaming the cold weather.
It nearly got chucked down the valley and never seen again.
And then he burnt my fingers.
So then I managed to get a receipt out of Sarah's pocket, set fire to that, and get it lit. So now we're having a brew with a view to die for. Edale Valley, the hills in the background.
We've got our little sit mats and my Gore-Tex on the floor to sit on.
What more can you want?
I did get a bit of a wet tush before I sat on my sit mat, so I've got a bit of a snowy arse, and then I'm sat down.
Sarah's getting a sort of frostbite rear.
I am. Maybe the cold will shed a few pounds for me. You say you can freeze fat.
Recently bought this little bag from a guy on Instagram called David Fryers. He's a bushcraft dude. British made bag. It's like a wax canvas bag. Oh. Looks like we might be there. Cheers.
Cheers, y'all.
Happy.
Yeah, snow, tea, sausage. What more could you ask for? Maybe a dry bum.
A good old lawn sausage that I got from T-Bay Services a few weeks ago. Obviously it's been frozen since. Oh baby. Oh, I smell that already. So I'm feeling quite proud now, because we're on the side of a snowy hill. It's probably about 1 degree, something like that. Made us a brew, made us a lawn sausage barm in a Scots roll, as they call it, with a little bit of cheese, a little bit of ketchup, and I've even just took the kettle on for a second brew for Sarah. Then we're gonna have a mooch. Pardon?
Just singing, Beb.
I guess we should finally start walking again. Could sit here all day and just eat, drink and take in these views, but got to burn that lawn off now.
The clean-up commences.
Huh?
You're doing a spiffing job of cleaning up there, babe.
I'm a cook and a cleaner.
Only when he's out the house.
Shut up. You'd starve if it wasn't for me.
I didn't mean the cooking bit, I meant the fucking cleaning bit, mate. You'd live in squalor if it wasn't for me.
So there's new platforms.
It's the height of fashion, mate. That's heavier than I thought.
This is the broken road. It actually used to be a road for vehicles, and it just started the road, and I think there's a few bits coming from above fell onto it as well, but it's not as spectacular in the snow because the snow covers a lot of it. I've ridden up here on my bike a lot of times over the years, and it's just every time I come up it's fascinating.
Apparently in 1976 they had a lot of warm weather, and then in the winter of 76, 77 there was a lot of rain and snow, and that's apparently what caused the road. It created 2 foot size steps.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 600 meters I think it's no, centimeters.
Yeah, it looks really good. If you Google Broken Road Peak District, there'll be loads of good images on there. But it's just weird how we're walking down a road. It's literally just, its arse has fell out. So they're just checking the socials. Got to keep the public interest today.
Especially because you're slacking and I've not put a video out this week. There we go, sausage.
Cheers, kid. It smells nice in there.
No. It's just nearly knocked me out. What did you eat yesterday?
Just use the bivvy loo.
It's not really a roast, but it's chicken. And we even got mashed potato, look. So we're halfway there. And some gravy. So yeah, near enough a roast, just missing the vegetables, isn't it?
KFC to the rescue.
Yeah, baby.